Hey, what up guys, how you doing? Hope you're having a good time wherever you're at, alright? Hit the like button if you're having a good time. I'll wait. Today we're reacting to Tina S. Van Halen Eruption guitar cover. Ooh, this should be nice. She always delivers, so let's get into it. Yo man, I love how she makes everything seem so simple. Look at her face, like expressionless. Like what? Wow. She never fails to deliver. 1 minute 34 and that's it. That's it. Just go. She slaps you in the face and it's like bye bye. See ya later. Have a good time. That was awesome, man. Like the way she does it. One thing I love about reacting to Tina S is just looking at her face. How unbothered that she is and how it all comes simple to her. Like she's doing something so simple yet so hard for a lot of people like myself who cannot even imagine what she's doing. But be amazed. This was beautiful. I love it. I love reacting to her stuff because, you know, it's like watching a genius at work. And yeah, this was amazing. To all my rock fans, people who know this or the original, let me know in the comment section what you thought of her cover or her performance of this what's it called? Of the Van Halen Eruption guitar cover that she did. What are your thoughts? Which other Tina S video would you like me to check out? She has amazing stuff on the channel and we'll be bringing more. With that said, if you're new around here, smash the subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment. I'll see you next time.